So good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This third lesson we have completed about fort and caves. I hope everybody
Yes, ma'am.
has
Yes, ma'am.
completed in the book. Now next is
The people who protect nature.
people who protect nature. This also we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Full
Done.
chapter.
Ma'am, half.
Half we have done. Na full is we have not done. The second part we have
Ma'am,
not done. So first part we have done till 4 we have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now second part, that is unscramble the letters to get the correct words. Now here before this unscrambling the letters, here many conservationists devote their lives to save or protect different species of animals, which include safeguarding their natural habitats. That means many conservationists जो कंजर्व करते हैं एनवायरमेंट को, जो एनवायरमेंट को कंजर्व करते हैं उन्हें क्या बोलते हैं, कंजर्वेशनिस्ट. दे डिवोटेड देयर लाइव्स, उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ किसके लिए दिया है, टू प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरमेंट. एंड मेनी स्पीसीज ऑफ, बहुत सारे जानवर उन्होंने बचाए हैं, विच इंक्लूडेड सेफ गार्डिंग देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट्स, उनके जो नेचुरल एनवायरमेंट है, उनका नेचुरल जो घर है, उनको भी सेफ गार्ड किया है, प्रोटेक्ट किया है. नाउ let meet some of them, all winners of 2020 Wildlife Conservation Awards known as Green Oscars. Now you can underline this. What are Green Oscars? Wildlife Conservation Awards are also called as Green Oscars. Clear? Now next, unscramble the letters to get the correct words. First is Patricia Medici worked in the Amazon rainforest. Amazon rainforest is it is the home of half of the species on the earth, but faces extraordinary rates of deforestation. Extraordinary rates of deforestation means ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ काटे जा रहे हैं वहाँ पर. So the name of the animal you can write down TAPIRS. TAPIRS, tapirs. TAPIRS, tapirs. What is tapirs? It is the largest land mammals in South America. It is the largest mammals in South America, greatly threatened as a result of destruction of their habitat. अब उनका घर, as we have in this paragraph we have understood earlier only, that deforestation is going on in large scale. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पेड़ पौधे कट रहे हैं, वहाँ पर फॉरेस्ट को नुकसान पहुंच रहा है. तो अब जब फॉरेस्ट को नुकसान पहुंच रहा है, then what will happen? Definitely the habitat of animals will disappear and the animals will get extinct. So Medici ma'ams, Medici maps their route and reforest these corridors with the help of local communities. Now with the help of local communities इसको वापस से reforest किया जा रहा है, इस एरिया में वापस से forest लगाने के लिए कहा जा रहा है. Now next is Abdullahi Hussain Ali is trying to protect. Now Abdullah Hussain Ali is a famous personality. He is trying to protect the Hirola antelope. Write down the word antelope, ANTELOPE, antelope. The most rare antelope, again antelope word will come, ANTELOPE, antelope, said to be fewer than 500 in the wild from extinction. Now they are also very few and they are about to extinct. खत्म होने की means number में है वो. Now his Hirola conservation program works on Kenya-Somalia border. Now works are done on Kenya-Somalia border, through which he is educating the local communities to use the land sustainably, thereby protecting the grasslands for the endangered species. Now he is helping with the help of local communities. He is uh, protecting the grasslands of these endangered species, ताकि इन endangered species को इनको means proper grass available हो, meadows available हो, green grass available हो, ताकि उनको खाने में कोई कमी ना आए. Clear these two. Next is, wait a second. Third one, Yoki Hadi Praskrasa, founder of Indonesia Hornbill Conservation Society. You can write down here Hornbill. Who is the founder of Indonesia Hornbill Conservation Society? Yoki Hadi Praskrasa. वर्ड उनको अलग अलग करके पढ़ने की कोशिश करिए, ठीक है ना. जैसे HADI हैडी, PRA प्रा, KAR कर सा, हैडी परकरसा, है ना. So he has devoted his efforts. This person has devoted his efforts to protect the critically endangered birds. अब birds को protect करने के लिए इन्होंने अपना help दिया है. Plus being poached and traded in illegal wildlife market. Poach means उनको पकड़ करके illegal उनका trade, import and export करने के लिए भी उन्होंने बहुत रोक लगवाई है. Then the helmeted hornbill, helmeted hornbill, and you can write it down. All of you are writing in the book itself, na? Completing in the book. Okay. Then helmeted hornbill is considered very sacred by Dayaks tribe. Sacred means बहुत ही holy. Sacred means holy. Holy माना जाता है hornbill को. कौन सा? Helmeted hornbill को बहुत होली माना जाता है. किसके द्वारा? The tribal island of Borneo. Tribal island जो है बोर्नियो पे. And there the tribes Dayaks tribes lives over there. They think this helmeted hornbill as a very sacred bird. बहुत ही होली माना जाता है, religious bird. Then they believe the birds are guardian of life and will guide them to God. Then there's a belief in this tribal area कि this bird will guide them to God. इनको guide करेगी, ये bird इनको भगवान के पास तक ले जाने के लिए guide करेगी. So this is just the thinking of the tribal area. That is why they think this bird very sacred, very very holy. And he has created a tourism module around the birds so the local communities see them as a source of regular income and more valuable alive rather than dead. अब ये बहुत ज़्यादा इनको protection दिया गया है as the community itself think very much sacred and it is a means regular income, source of income for these local communities, and that is why they are more alive, valuable alive rather than dead. ये जितना ज्यादा उनके लिए वैल्यू रखता है लोकल कम्युनिटीज के लिए, उतना ज्यादा इसको मारने पे उनको कुछ भी मींस प्रॉफिट नहीं होगा. दैट इज व्हाई मोर प्रोटेक्शन एंड केयर इज टू बी टेकन फॉर दिस हेलमेटेड हॉर्नबिल. नाउ फोर्थ इज द रिसर्च एंड कंजर्वेशन वर्क ऑफ रेचल एशकोबॉफ Akime, director of SW Niger Delta Forest Project, is focused on the decline of Nigeria Cameroon chimpanzees. Here the word chimpanzees will come. CHIMPANZEES, chimpanzees. To poaching, acknowledged as the most endangered species of chimpanzees. Both the blanks chimpanzees will come. In both the blanks, chimpanzees will come. and of their habitat. 80% of the forests in Nigeria have been lost to farming and lodging. Most of the 80% of these chimpanzees had lost their habitat. Habitat means रहने की जगह, है ना? Then Akime uses a combination of patrolling the region, educating the locals, and initiating policy reforms with the government to protect this animal. Now, steps have been taken to protect this animal, that is the chimpanzee, Komarao chimpanzee, as the habitat, they are losing their habitat. और फिर habitat अगर खत्म हो जाएगा, उनके रहने की जगह खत्म हो जाएगी, तो definitely they will get extinct. So people are Lakme. Lakme is a personality. He is helping with the government. With the help of the government, he is protecting this animal by educating the locals. Educating the locals means local people को aware करना कि इसको बचाना है, उनको educate करना. Plus इतनी policies of reform, कुछ policies बनाई है, changes करे हैं policies में, so as to protect this chimpanzee. Now, fifth is amphibian conservation is a prime priority of South Africa. It is the home of 135 frog species. 135 types of frogs are there. Where? In South Africa. And almost two-thirds are at the risk of extinction. 135 types of frogs are already present, but in among 135 types of frogs, two-thirds are at the risk of extinction. Means two-thirds of these frog species are endangered. Means उनको खतरा है, उनकी जान को खतरा है. So Jenny Tarrant, a person, Jenny Tarrant, known locally as frog lady. Locally उनको क्या बोला जाता है? Frog lady, FROG, frog lady, focuses on the critical endangered amethyl. Amethyl Todd. Here you will write down TOAD, Todd. Todd is a young one of frog. Todd is, what is Todd? Todd is a young one of frog. छोटे बच्चे को, फ्रॉग के छोटे बच्चे को टॉड कहते हैं. तो उन्होंने फोकस करा है इसको, मेन बच्चों को बचाने का, फ्रॉग के बच्चों को. And rediscovered after 13 years in 2011. Her thrust is on educating the local communities to dispel their superstition about frogs, so they contribute to the health of the environment and ecosystem of the region. उनको local communities को mostly where these endangered species are there, वहाँ पर local communities को aware करना बहुत जरूरी है, ताकि they are made aware to protect, and they take some special steps to protect the what these species, endangered species. Clear? I hope you have completed all these blanks. Completed in your books, those who are having the book.
Yes, ma'am.
And those who are
Yes,
don't have
ma'am.
book, they can a rough notebook. PDF I'm going to share on student portal. Okay. Okay. Now next is lesson
Discovered that change our
discoveries that change our lives. Discoveries that change our lives. Now in this, we'll start with first sentence itself. Let's go on a journey through time, listing the many things that come into our lives through invention and discoveries. Now, journey through time, that means as the time passes, many discoveries, many innovations, new discoveries have taken place. We will read these discoveries, these innovations now in this lesson. First is fill in the blanks and assemble the letters to get the correct words. first is we'll read this hints first. It was invented about 2000 years ago in China. First, if we'll unscramble this word, it will be paper, Paper, paper. And paper was invented about 2000 years ago in China. And it was first used to wrap delicate bronze mirrors. Delicate bronze mirrors means the mirrors were there, delicate, very delicate mirrors were there. So to wrap those bronze mirrors, this paper was first used, and poisonous medicines to protect them, and to wrap the poisonous medicines also. So paper was first used for what purpose? To wrap delicate bronze mirrors and poisonous medicines to protect. Clear? So you can underline the use of paper here. Wrap delicate bronze mirrors and medicines also. Poisonous medicines जो होती थी उनको wrap करने के लिए पेपर काम में लिया जाता था सबसे पहले. Then next is printing press. It was invented in 1088 in China, and it helped to spread knowledge. This printing press helped to spread knowledge. So which invention helped to spread knowledge? It is printing press, and it was invented where? In China. So paper and printing press both were invented in China. Clear? Now third is electricity. In about 600 BCE, the ancient Greek people, ancient Greeks, you can write down here electricity, and your Greeks discovered that rubbing fur against amber caused an attraction between the two. They discovered static electricity. Now, this is the way these Greek people discovered the electricity, that is the rubbing fur against amber. Then in 1600, this was, wait a second. So in 1600, an English scientist named William Gilbert studied it carefully and gave it its name. So Gilbert studied it carefully and gave the name as electricity. Clear? Next is vaccination. Now vaccination, the smallpox vaccine was world's first vaccine. So which was world first vaccine? Which was world first vaccine? It is the smallpox vaccine. Smallpox vaccine was the first world uh, vaccine. Clear? British doctor and scientist Edward Jenner was the first to do this very successfully. He had to protect people from smallpox by using the cowpox virus. Now, this cowpox virus was used to protect the people from smallpox, and that is why this vaccine was created by Edward Jenner, the scientist, British doctor and scientist. Clear? Next is anesthesia. 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 It was discovered in 1846, and it is Greek word meaning loss of sensation. So anesthesia, Greek meaning is loss of sensation. Then next is refrigeration. It was invented in 1856, and because of it, food items, meat, fish, vegetable, fruits can be sent over long distances and kept for very long. So, which is the invention which can help the food items, meat, fish, vegetables, and fruits to be sent for long distances and kept for very long time. It will be refrigeration. So these types of questions can arise from this. Uh, Next is telephone. It was invented in 1876 by Scottish engineer Alexander Graham Bell. So who invented telephone? The Scottish engineer Graham Bell. You can underline this. Scottish engineer Graham Bell has invented telephone. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then it converts the human voice and other sounds into electronic signals and transmits them over long distances. So this is the way we talk to each other on telephone. That is, it converts the human voice. The telephone converts the human voice and other sounds into electronic signals and then transmit them to longer distances. Next is light bulb. The electric lamp was invented in 1809 by English chemist Humphrey, and but it was American inventor Thomas Alva Edison who developed the first practical bulb in 1879. You can mark these light bulb, Edison, here also bulb. Many of the Edison inventions have a great influence on our lives today. Electric power generation, sound recording, phonograph, the motion picture camera. So for all these, this invention is very much important. That is electrical power generation. So who invented electric bulb? Edison. Yes.
मैम ये AVY करके भी एक फिलअप है उसमें क्या लिखना है?
Just now you leave this AVY. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So next is television. Just now you leave this and just whatever I have marked, you write it down in that. Then ninth is television. Television is it was invented in late 19th and 20th century. So who invented this television? I hope everybody knows who invented television. Who invented
Yes,
television?
ma'am.
Beta?
John Logie Bell.
The name is already given, na?
Yes, John Logie.
Ma'am, John Logie Bell.
Yes. John Logie Bell. And here invented it as we know it today. That is John Logie Baird had invented television, and its name is a combination of the ancient Greek word far and a Latin word meaning sight. So far sight here. Clear? And here you can write it down. This switch off your videos, beta, Manasvi and all. You are asking about this Humphrey AVY Avena. Yes, Davy, Davy. Here you write down D. I forgot to write down here D. In my book, I have written already, but here D will come. Davy. I hope everybody has written. Hello. Here in 8th, everybody has written
Yes, ma'am.
Davy.
Yes, ma'am.
D I will
Yes,
come.
ma'am.
Okay. Humphrey Davy. He was an American inventor, Thomas Alva Edison, who developed the first practical bulb. Now, television was invented by John Logie Baird. And then penicillin, the injection penicillin is there. It was discovered by in 1928 by Alexander Fleming. So you can underline all these inventors, name of the inventors. Penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. Television was invented by John Logie Baird. Electric bulb was invented by English chemist Humphrey Davy. Here D will come. And the next is it led to the creation of antibiotics. So the discovery of Alexander Fleming, the discovery of penicillin led to the creation of what? Antibiotics. एक तरीके का antibiotic है. Fleming received the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1945. Nobel Prize penicillin के लिए उनको Alexander Fleming को मिला था. The next is computer. It was invented by whom? Charles Babbage. Clear? Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Was the first to work on idea of program computer in the 19th century, and Conrad Zuse is given the credit of being the inventor of modern computer. And modern computer, who has invented modern computer? Modern computer किसने बनाया? Conrad Zuse. Clear? And he produced Z4, the world's first commercial computer in 1941. Then way back in 1957, the first PC used by single person and controlled by a keyboard was invented by, so PC by single person controlled by keyboard was invented by whom? Was invented by IBM or the IBM 610. It is known as IBM 610. Then last, the internet. It is a global system of interconnected computer networks linking several billion devices worldwide. Several million devices are interconnected. That is why it is called as internet. So WWW or the World Wide Web was first introduced to the public in 1990. An English engineer, computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee. It is the system of interlinked hypertext document internet. Clear? I hope everybody has completed this in the book itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Try to learn the discoveries and the discoverers. किसने क्या invent किया ये आपको learn करना है. Clear? Whenever we'll meet next, we'll continue with lesson number 6. And till then, revise all the lessons till where we have completed. जितना भी हमने किया है वो सारा आप लोग revise करेंगे. ठीक है ना? Learn करेंगे. I hope everybody has understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Yes.